Social media marketing in 2021 with so many new social media platforms out there like TikTok and Clubhouse. Where should you be spending your time if you're building an online business? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's episode. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves and bring their business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, one of the things that I see marketers, network marketers, home-based business owners doing wrong is they're really only focusing on a social media platform. In 2021 with search, you're leaving so much money on the table if you're not actually showing up in a search engine like YouTube, Google, or Pinterest, right? So what the strategy for me has been in 2021 is to focus heavily over here on YouTube to grow my business, and then also on TikTok, funneling into my groups. And I will get into my strategy in just a minute here. But if you want to know how to grow your business using YouTube, I've got for you a free resource, a free masterclass that I have on how to use YouTube for your network marketing business. I'm going to put it in the description below for you so that you can check it out, right? But what happens is when you have a search engine, there are thousands of people that are searching for your product, your opportunity every single month over in search, and there's nobody really showing up because most marketers are over on social media, right? So it's important to be building on an SEO, search engine optimized platform, and also building on a social media platform. So where am I spending my time in 2021 to get the most bang for your buck, so to speak, in terms of growing my audience, growing my list, growing my tribe? Well, I am focusing every single week putting out a new YouTube video that provides massive value for my audience. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on these weekly videos. But I'm showing up on YouTube because it's a search engine platform. And I'm also showing up inside of my Facebook group. Now, I'm not using Facebook to the same strategy that I was years ago because the organic reach is just not there and the algorithm is just kind of not the same that it used to be, right? So where am I focusing my attention? I'm focusing my attention over on TikTok and a little bit on Clubhouse, but then bringing in all of those new leads, all of those new prospects into my Facebook group that I have, right? So I'm taking the search engine, I'm spending time in a social media platform like TikTok, like Clubhouse, and bringing them over into my Facebook page where I can my Facebook group, where I can really nurture that audience, because that's where that like, know, and trust factor happens. Now, so many of us get lost in the scroll on social media, or you hear about a social media outlet like TikTok and you're like, oh my God, I could never do it. What I want to say is, find a social media platform that feels right for you, that feels comfortable, where you can grow and go all in, right? Some people don't want to show up on TikTok, and that's absolutely okay. Then don't show up on TikTok. Maybe Clubhouse is for you, so go all in on Clubhouse. But what I challenge you to do is I challenge you to get uncomfortable, right? TikTok might feel like it's not for you, but then actually it's a really creative outlet. And so give it a try. Don't fear trying it and see if it's actually a good fit for you. But then at the end of the day, if you feel like this is a chore, don't let it be a chore, right? Go and find that social media platform, whether it be Facebook, whether it be Instagram. But no, with the onset of TikTok and Clubhouse, these new social media platforms is an amazing opportunity for you to really grow your influence, grow your tribe, grow your following, because the algorithm is just that it, pushes out your stuff to all brand new people that, Instagram and Facebook are kind of lacking at this point. And then what I do is I take my TikTok videos and I repurpose them onto my other social media channels. So I repurpose them onto my Instagram Reels. Here's a hack for you. Make sure you remove the logo in 2021. Instagram does not want the TikTok logo on their Reels, but I'll take that same piece of content and I will take off the logo. I will upload it into my Instagram Reels. I will also upload it into my Facebook stories. And if it's relevant and something that's on point here in my YouTube channel, I will also move it into shorts. So you can take one piece of content, right, and cross-purpose it into other social media platforms so that it looks like you're really showing up on every social media platform, when in reality, you are just, cross-pollinating your content into other places, but taking that one piece of focus. Now, I strongly urge you to look at a search engine like YouTube. Like I said, I'm going to put that free masterclass for you in the description of this video so that you can check out how to learn or use YouTube to grow your business, because it is a search engine. It's actually not a social media platform. And what I love about YouTube is that you can be a little bit more direct about the product or the opportunity that you're selling that you maybe don't want to do over on social media, because you want to brand yourself, you want to use attraction marketing, you don't want to be that spammy Sally, so to speak, and you don't need to worry about that over on YouTube. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to connect also a why to use YouTube video for your network marketing business. I'm going to attach it right over here for you so that you can check this out after today's video, so you can start to understand and learn the strategies behind how to work smarter and not harder in your business, and making sure that you're actually putting in the effort that you're putting in is worthwhile, right? That it is actually benefiting you, and that you're growing your audience, you're growing your tribe, because that ultimately leads to more sales, more team builders, more growth, more opportunity for you. And those new hot platforms might be that perfect fit for you to grow your audience. But you want to be, sincere to you, and you want to, marry the process and divorce the results over on a social media platform that really resonates with you. So I hope that this was helpful. This is another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out.